Alrighty now, let's discuss this in a mannerism that is appeasing. Okay, we're going to discuss today the God gene, what scientists have dubbed the God gene through genetics. Inside the body, they have found a gene that is only found actually in believers of God. Scientists have dubbed this gene the God gene. This gene is not found in non-believers. Now, I'm not saying this gene is proof of the existence of God. I think it's more proof that the Gnostic Christians were right, that God comes from within, from here, Now, let's examine what happens when they've done brain scans on nuns or any other type of religious people. They've done all the religions, Wiccans, Buddhists, Christians, all of them. They did brain scans on them when they were praying, meditating, whatever, and then when they were just in normal mode. In normal mode, we get normal brain activity. But during prayer, meditation, and focusing on God, certain parts of the brain are woken up in the frontal lobe, visual cortex, and in the verbal cortex. And in the parietal lobe, the part that makes you aware of your surroundings, which is like right here in the brain, that was quieted down during these prayer sessions, and people would go into like a deep state of trance. So I believe that's just more proof that the Gnostic Christians were right, that God comes from within, not only from your charitable deeds of your heart, but from the expansion of the mind through knowledge. You see, the prophets of the biblical days were not only charitable people who went out and did good deeds, but they were also great scholars. They were great mathematicians. They were great scientists. They were great linguists. They were fantastic scholars, really intelligent, and they continued to expand their knowledge far beyond anybody's imagination. And I believe that that is our path to heaven. The expansion of knowledge will be our path to salvation. Thank you, and good night.